How to improve your truck's performance. Performance is a concern for many truck owners. Although pickup trucks are known for their power and fuel efficiency, there are many ways to maximize their output. Listed below are some things that you can do to improve your truck's efficiency. Method 1. Maintaining your truck. 1. Have your truck regularly serviced and tuned. Your mechanic can check if there are components that need to be replaced and fixed. A well-maintained vehicle runs efficiently. 2. Change old spark plugs. Replacing this essential car component promotes fuel efficiency and performance, providing the optimal spark to ignite the most air-fuel mixture, boosting engine combustion and reduces unburned fuel waste emissions. This should be changed regularly because they wear out after some time. Most recommend replacing them every 50,000 miles. Experts recommend using iridium spark plugs. They last longer than regular copper or platinum spark plugs. Always check with manufacturer or your truck service book for the recommended spark plugs. Although iridium spark plugs do last longer than copper or platinum spark plugs, copper metal is a better conductor for electricity and creates a bigger ignition spark. Inspect each spark plug for the correct electrode gap. Manufacturers package spark plugs with gauge already adjusted and protected with a small plastic or carton cylinder around the thread protecting the electrode from impact. Use a spark plug gauge to check and adjust gap if you drop the spark plug. Most auto parts stores have spark plug gauge key chains on display at the counter along with single electrical grease packs. 3. Replace the spark ignition wires when changing the plugs. It is recommended to use a high-quality wiring harness set with silicone isolation. Silicone has superior heat tolerances and are more flexible and higher tensile strength. Worn or cracked wiring can reduce performance or break off when pulling the booths, making plug removal more difficult. Inspect contact connection plugs on ignition coils and spark plugs for a solid connection grip, and use electrical grease to prevent arcing short-circuit damage on the cables. 4. Have a regular oil change. It extends your vehicle's lifespan and keeps it running smoothly by having the parts of the engine clean and well lubricated. Using synthetic oil is highly recommended. They perform better in extreme weather and lubricate engine components better than regular oil. Use the recommended thickness, viscosity SAE oil rating for your vehicle's mileage and weather season. 5. Use a fuel system cleaner on your truck every 3 months. It keeps the fuel system clean by removing dirt and carbon buildup in the engine's valves, cylinders, and fuel injectors. This is a proven way to maximize fuel efficiency and boost engine performance. Pour the recommended treatment bottle on the empty tank before topping with fresh fuel. This helps mixing the fuel additive evenly. Refill after the entire tank is used up. 6. Own a good set of tires and keep them in proper air pressure. Performance tires or lower resistance tires offer better traction and handling than regular tires. The engine works harder with less inflated tires because of increased road friction. Read customer reviews on tire websites before making a decision. Method 2. Modifying your truck. 1. Install performance fuel injectors and throttle body. It is a surefire way to improve the horsepower and engine life of a truck. A larger throttle body paired with performance fuel injectors efficiently maximize fuel delivery to an engine and provide the vehicle with improved horsepower, throttle response, and torque. A larger throttle body allows more air volume to enter, and performance fuel injector nozzles spray a finer and stronger mist of fuel that improves combustion power and efficiency. Not all vehicles can be outfitted with a bigger throttle body. It would be best to consult a mechanic or your dealer. 2. Polish the inside walls surface of the intake manifold. Use a small high-speed rotary tool and a flexible drill bit extension to reduce air, fuel drag. 3. Install high-quality shock absorber, dampening, struts. They improve the ride quality of the vehicle and last longer than cheap brands. A good set of shocks perform better in a variety of road conditions. These vital components control the suspension system of a vehicle. It also provides the tires with improved road contact, which is essential for better handling, torque, and safe vehicle steering. 4. Upgrade to performance air filters. They are proven to be more efficient than the typical factory air filters. Air filters improves the airflow by filtering dirt and other air contaminants from the engine. They are available in 2 types. The traditional paper air filter, which is disposable, and a replacement air filter that is reusable and washable. The second type is more expensive because it is made of a long-lasting material that can handle all types of driving conditions and less wind, air resistance. 5. Install cold air intakes. This popular aftermarket assembly is the easiest way to improve a vehicle's efficiency. It allows your engine to breathe better by converting warm air into dense, cold air. By enabling the natural flow of air in the engine, a vehicle is able to move faster, with less effort. 6. Install aftermarket exhaust kits. It's time to replace the stock mufflers with larger aftermarket exhausts that will for sure improve the airflow of the vehicle. These performance exhausts have pipes that are typically bigger in diameter and are proven to increase torque and boost the sound of the engine. Tips. Make sure to research and consult an expert before you decide to install anything in your truck. If your truck is still under warranty, it is best to have it checked by the dealer.